Assalamualaikum dear students, today our topic is two nation theory. Selected main points are on separate sheet for your convenience. Two nation theory. Evolution. Ibtida ya irtika. First we have to clear the history of the Muslims in South Asia, how they started and ruling and how the end of the Muslims. Evolution means gradual change. Muslim rule was started in the 8th century AD and it was continued till the deposition of the last Mughal king Bahadur Shah Zafar in 1858. Means 1000 साल तक round about उन्होंने हुकूमत की. During that period, Muslim rulers treated Muslims and non-Muslims with justice. Most of the rulers of the Muslims were incompetent. Later on, जो बाद में आने वाले Muslim dynasties के जो रूलर थे वो इस काबिल नहीं थे कि वो प्रॉपर तरीके से डील करते और मुसलमानों और नॉन मुस्लिम्स के साथ. ड्यू टू देयर इनकॉम्पिटेंस द ईस्ट इंडिया comprising British trader gradually got control over the subcontinent. Means East India Company first English company थी जो establish हुई 31 दिसंबर 1600 को for trade purpose. क्लियर. इस कंपनी ने और साथ ब्रिटिश ट्रेडर्स ने मिलकर स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली कंट्रोल द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. एट दैट टाइम सर सैयद अहमद खान was the first political Muslim leader who aware the Muslims about their rights. He was born on 1817. He gave the idea of two nation theory, means Hindu and Muslims are two separate nations. He was in favor of Hindu-Muslim unity. But later on the events and developments changed his mind and he gave up the idea of united Indian nationhood. There were some reasons behind the change of idea. Urdu-Hindi controversy. It was started in 1867. तनाज़ा ये शुरू हुआ in Banaras. Hindu launched movement against Urdu because this language was developed during Muslim rule and its Perso-Arabic script was not acceptable for them. The first reason, formation of Indian National Congress formed in 1885 by a retired British officer A.O. Hume. This party claimed both Muslims and Hindus representation equally, but it was dominated by Hindus and most of its policies and demands were totally against the Muslims. The reason number 2, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan at that time gave the idea of two nation theory and Muslims started separate political struggle under this idea. Another reason was Shimla deputation. Congress demanded Western democracy when in subcontinent. At that time 35 Muslim leaders delegation went to Shimla and they met Viceroy Lord Minto headed by Sir Aga Khan. This mission went on 1st October 1906 and what was the demand? Separate electorate, ensure their representation in the legislative council. यानी अलग नुमाइंदे कानून साज कौंसल में. Muslims should be given government jobs according to their population. Muslims should be given representation in the administration of the universities, should be given more seats on account of historical and political importance of the Muslims. Means this delegation demanded the Muslim rights. Clear? Also the Hindu organization and Congress opposed this delegation or deputation. After that another reason was partition of Bengal. Look at the map. South Asia or British India. It is the Bengal map. This green color show the Muslim majority, orange color show non-Muslim majority and the other yellow is state. It was the largest province at that time. It was divided on administrative ground because it was difficult for the Britishers to control it. This division benefited the Muslim. How? Muslim got rid of the Hindus' political monopoly. Possibilities of their economic, social, cultural development became bright. Means this decision made the happier to Muslims, but it was strongly opposed by the Congress. At that time, in the view of this situation, the Muslims felt the need to create other separate political party for the Muslim which जो कि हेल्प कर सके मुस्लिम्स को उनके राइट्स दिलाने के लिए। सही है ना। इट वॉज फॉर्म्ड ऑन 30 दिसंबर 1906 ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग एट ढाका। कहाँ पे बनी? मोहम्मदन एजुकेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस। वहाँ पे जब उसका सेशन हुआ इस मोहम्मदन एजुकेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का, उसमें प्रपोजल ऑफ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग प्रेजेंटेड बाय सर सलीमुल्लाह खान। अब मोहम्मदन एजुकेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ये मुसलमानों की एजुकेशन की डेवलपमेंट के लिए कॉन्फ्रेंस बनी थी इन 1886। इसका सेशन जब हुआ एट दैट टाइम मुस्लिम लीग वाज फॉर्म। इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या थे? प्रमोट गुड फ्रेंडली रिलेशन बिटवीन मुस्लिम्स एंड ब्रिटिश, रिमूव मिसकॉन्सेप्शंस, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ इंडियन मुस्लिम्स, मुस्लिम सॉलिडेरिटी, इकोनॉमिक राइट्स, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ कल्चर एंड सिविलाइजेशन एंड पॉलिटिकल इंटरेस्ट। Muslim League struggled for the protection of the interest of Indian Muslims from 1906 to 1928 under two-nation theory. Means, after the formation of Muslim League, the Muslim League struggled for the Muslim rights under which idea? Two-nation theory from when? 1906 to 1928. After that, another event was Nehru Report. The All Parties Conference was called in 1928 for the formation of unanimous constitution. For this purpose, a committee was made. Head of this committee was Motilal Nehru. Hindu and Congress leaders were in majority. The report presented by this committee was known as Nehru Report. This report, or we can say recommendation of this reports, were totally against the interest and aspirations of the Muslims. This report eliminated forever the possibility of Hindu-Muslim unity. यानी इससे पहले जो इत्तेहाद की बात की जाती थी वो हमेशा के लिए ख़त्म हो गई। It is the historical और कह लें कि important point from where the ideology of Pakistan originated from the two-nation theory. यानी इस two-nation theory के बाद ये ऐसी रिपोर्ट के पेश होने के बाद अब जो है तो पाकिस्तान की आइडियोलॉजी ने जन्म लिया या इब्तिदा हुई, स्टार्ट हुआ। एट दिस इम्पॉर्टेंट जंक्चर यानी इस मोड़ पे कायद-ए-आज़म सेड दिस इज़ द पार्टिंग ऑफ द वे। यानी अब इस रिपोर्ट के प्रेजेंट होने के बाद यानी इसमें मुसलमानों के राइट्स की बात नहीं है, इससे पहले के इवेंट्स ने हमें साबित कर दिया कि अब यहाँ से हमारे रास्ते जुदा जुदा हैं। आफ्टर इन 1937 इलेक्शन कब होते हैं? February to March 1937। ये देखें सब कॉन्टिनेंट का मैप, ब्रिटिश इंडिया का मैप। देयर वर 11 प्रोविंसेस एट दैट टाइम। कांग्रेस गॉट मेजॉरिटी इन 8 प्रोविंसेस यानी 11 सूबों में से 8 सूबों में मेजॉरिटी ली। कांग्रेस इस्टेब्लिश्ड इट्स मिनिस्ट्रीज इन दोज प्रोविंसेस। मुस्लिम्स ने वहाँ पे माइनॉरिटी प्रोविंसेस में मेजॉरिटी हासिल की, मीन्स कि उनको ना होने के बराबर जो है तो कामयाबी हुई। कांग्रेस मिनिस्टर्स ड्यूरिंग देयर रूलिंग पीरियड ट्रीटेड मुस्लिम वेरी बैडली। यानी जब जब उन्होंने ये चार्ज संभाला हुआ था, मिनिस्ट्रियाँ संभाली थी, उस वक्त उन 8 सूबों में उन्होंने मुसलमानों के साथ बहुत बुरा ट्रीट किया। These were the events which we can say the base of Pakistan ideology, and which idea help us to create the ideology of Pakistan? The two-nation theory. The next one is 1939 World War II was started. At that time, British want the assistance of the subcontinent people. उस time Congress gave some points. उन्होंने कुछ points दिए to pressurize the government, but Britishers did not agree that point. That's why Congress resigned from that ministries. Clear? This was the happiest moment for the Muslim League, and they celebrated the day of deliverance on 22nd December 1939. Is it clear to you? Boys, for more clearance, you must read the page number 6, 7 and 8. Thank you.